Welcome to GitHub Trending Repos for today. We have a lot to cover today, so let's get started. Number 9, immich, 175 new stars today. Immich lets you take full ownership of your photo and video library by self-hosting it on your own hardware, eliminating dependency on cloud services that scan your media or cap your storage. It solves the real problem of keeping a massive personal media collection private, accessible, and backed up without monthly subscription fees or vendor lock-in. The project stands out technically through its high-performance TypeScript/Flutter architecture, machine learning-powered search, objects, clip, and a purpose-built mobile app with background upload that matches or exceeds the polish of proprietary alternatives. Number 8, omlx, 78 new stars today. omlx solves the problem of running large language models efficiently on Apple Silicon by combining continuous batching with a 2-tier KV cache that persists context across requests, making local LLMs viable for long-running coding sessions with tools like Claude Code. Unlike typical local servers that drop context between prompts, it keeps past conversation state on SSD and reloads it on demand, drastically reducing redundant computation. The entire server is managed from a macOS menu bar app, so you can pin models in memory, set context limits, and swap models without touching a terminal. Check the benchmarks to see how it handles real-world workloads. Number 7, CareerOps, 218 new stars today. CareerOps replaces manual job hunting with a reproducible, AI-driven pipeline that runs entirely in your local CLI. It scans job portals, scores each listing against a structured AF rubric, and programmatically tailors your CV, so you stop applying to roles that don't fit. Unlike browser extensions or SaaS job trackers, it operates through agentic coding tools, Claude Code, Codex, OpenCode, giving you full control over the evaluation logic and data without subscription fees or vendor lock-in. Number 6, llmfit, 190 stars today. Figuring out which LLM will actually run on your specific hardware without crashing on RAM or crawling on CPU is a frustrating trial and error process that wastes time in compute. llmfit replaces guesswork with a single CLI TUI command that detects your real system resources, then scores hundreds of models across quality, speed, fit, and context size to surface only the ones that will work well. Its recently added benchmark system lets you measure and contribute real tokens per second numbers for your exact hardware, so the fit estimates become verifiable data shared across the community, instead of theoretical approximations. Number 5, Anthropic-Cybersecurity-Skills, 198 new stars today. AI coding agents ship with general-purpose knowledge, but lack the deep, structured cybersecurity expertise needed to assess threats, handle incidents, or avoid insecure patterns. This library gives you 817 production-grade skills mapped to MITRE ATT&CK, NIST CSF 2.0, D3Fend, and 3 other frameworks, so any agent can reason across 29 security domains. Drop it into Claude Code, Copilot, Cursor, or 20+ other platforms, and you immediately turn a generic code assistant into a security-aware collaborator. Number 4, AI memory, 207 new stars today. Most coding agents lose context the moment you switch tools or restart a session, forcing you to re-explain your entire project's architecture and recent dead ends. This Rust daemon gives your CLI agents long-term memory by capturing structured session logs and diff-aware context snapshots into a local SQLite database, then injecting just the relevant history when any supported agent starts up. Its MCP native integration and explicit lifecycle hooks span over a dozen agent vendors, letting you quit Claude Code and resume in Codex or Cursor without repeating yourself. A level of cross-vendor continuity no built-in agent feature provides. Number 3, Nautilus_Trader, 120 new stars today. Nautilus Trader gives you a single Rust-native event-driven engine that handles research, backtesting, and live trading across multiple asset classes and venues without switching tools or rewriting logic. Its deterministic core eliminates the flakiness and timing inconsistencies that plague Python-only backtesters, so simulation results reliably match production behavior. Because the performance-critical engine is compiled, Rust, while strategy code remains in Python, you get low-latency execution and memory safety without sacrificing the rapid iteration speed quants need. Number 2, Strix, 598 new stars today. Strix deploys autonomous AI agents that dynamically execute your application, find real vulnerabilities, and produce working proofs of concept, eliminating the false positive noise that plagues static scanners. It orchestrates multiple pen testing agents that collaborate on reconnaissance, exploitation, and validation, giving you a genuine attacker's perspective without waiting weeks for a manual engagement. The CLI delivers actionable remediation guidance and auto-generated patches, so you can integrate continuous production-grade security testing directly into your CI/CD pipeline. Number 1, MoneyPrinterTurbo. 189 new stars today. Developers building content pipelines for social media will appreciate that. MoneyPrinterTurbo automates the entire short video creation process, from script generation to final rendering, driven by a single topic or keyword. It solves the real problem of scaling video output for channels that demand a high volume of topical HD shorts without the overhead of manual script writing, stock footage search, and timeline assembly. Technically, it chains an LLM for script and keyword generation with a media retrieval and composition engine, exposing both a web UI and a REST API so you can embed automated video generation directly into your own applications or batch jobs.